Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Inflation data out now. Here we go. Let's have a look at the inflation data.
Down by close to 12%. Then there's cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike.
They're a bit behind. I've got the data already. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let me bring it on the screen. The data now for inflation. Are we going to get a market dip today, or are we going to pump on this news after we heard last night about the ceasefire? Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Numbers are coming now, thick and fast. Please bear with me. I'll have it any second now. The numbers are, core PCE, consensus 0.3, previous 0.3. We're standing by. Durable goods 0.5 is now 0.2. Durable goods orders is 0.2. That's fallen. Or it's risen from the last report, but the consensus was 0.5. So the economy is slowing. That's got some benefits to it, of course. We're still waiting for the number, core PCE. Any second now, we'll get core PCE. It's waiting. It's 0.3. Let me check into CNBC.
It was downgraded to slightly under. So this remains
jobless
the
reports
loftiest level going back to November of 2021. Let's look at our second time around the block on GDP. It remains for the third quarter at 2.8%. And if we look at consumption, remember last
we
time
haven't got core though yet. Still waiting.
3.7. That was the best going all the way back to Q1 of 23. It comes down just a bit to 3.5. But that still remains pretty lofty. It equals the fourth quarter of 23. If we look at the price index, moved up a tenth from 1.8 to 1.9, but that's still the best progress.
Still waiting for core PCE
in the last quarter of 23. Finally, let's look at core price action. 2.1%. It sheds 0.1%. At 2.1, it's the lightest, well, since it was 2%. Last quarter of last year. Now let's switch gears to durable goods, shall we? Durable goods.
He's padding it out for core PCE. It's still not out.
1/10. It comes in exactly at 1/10. And last month becomes 0.4 instead of 0.5%. If you look at the ex-transportation figure, that is also up. Excuse me, folks. The headline was up 0.2. Ex-transportation is up 1/10. If we look at capital good orders, non-defense ex-aircraft, a proxy for capital spending.
Core PCE has been delayed. I've never seen delayed ever.
That's pretty lofty. But do consider that in the rear view mirror, if you look at capital good orders, we had up 0.7. That was a strong number. It now gets cut basically in half to up 0.3. Up 0.3 ends up the since June of last year. And finally, let's look at shipments instead of orders. Shipments are up 0.2%, and that is as expected. Now, let's look at trade balance, and this really is important, folks. I know it's an advanced
no
look,
core PCE,
minus
what the Fed used.
99.1. But last look at 108.7, that is the second highest deficit in history, and that goes back to 1989. And we all know the trade balance may have a lot of movement in the future based on things like tariffs. And also, this number has a lot of activity surrounding some of the pull forward of many entities trying to get ahead of potential tariff action. Wholesale inventories,
another all-time high, just off 134,000.
1/10. The market siphoned all of that. We now end up at 420 in a 2-year. And guess where it was before all those numbers? Yeah, you guessed right, at 420. If we look at 10-year, 425 before the number remains at 425. If it was to close there, it would be a 1-month low yield close. Back to you, Andrew, and the gang.
Okay, Rick, I'll take it over. That is something to have all of that flood of data, and the market's like, yeah, whatever. We'll stay at the same places right about here. I was looking for some movement. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Rick's going to stay with us. Joining us right now for more on the data is Dana Peterson. She's chief economist with the Conference Board.
Nothing.
And
no movement.
Steve Leisman.
Still
Steve,
no core
PCE,
though.
Tell us what you think of some of these numbers we've seen.
I mean, I think the economy is doing just fine, right? 2.8%. A little bit stickier inflation out there, something we're going to have to deal with, by the way, today at 10 o'clock, which is when the PCE...
PCE.
Interesting. We went into this number with
That's
yields
been delayed.
down a
That's
little
coming
bit,
out at
the
10 o'clock.
Probabilities of rate hikes up just a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe
PCE comes
from
out at 10.
yesterday's minutes.
It
I'm not
says
really
on
quite
my
sure
forecast
where
it's
a little bit-
7:30. I did hear there he just say it was going to come out later. There's been a delay for that. Okay, for whatever reason. Anyway, systems as usual at the moment, but the core PCE is the one we're interested in. Anyway, market's great, up again, and we're breaking records again. 133,758. Overnight, we actually touched 134,000. Remember, we were only 132 yesterday. All right? 132 yesterday. So it's been quite an evening with the ceasefire, which is still holding, of course, in Israel and Lebanon. All right, great stuff. Okay, we've got more to cover today. Let me see in the chat who's here. Welcome to you. Who have we got this morning? Hi, everyone. Mike. Mike. Good morning, everyone. Oh, Mike, I want to send you, Mike, can you pick up your phone a minute? I want to send you a text. Can you just acknowledge you've got this text? Okay.
Lawrence Teo donated 14 Singapore dollars and 98 cents through a super chat. Good day.
Oh! Look at that. What a great start. Mike, I've just sent you a text. And if you can just acknowledge in that. So there you go. Awesome stuff. Really, really great. Thank you, Lawrence Teo. Thank you so much from Singapore. What a start to the day. I feel good. Do you know what? Today's been Mike's laughing. So anyway, there's my balance down to 133,758. Listen, today's a bit of a pain in the ass, if I'm honest. You know, since I had the dog bite, right? I'm on antibiotics, and it's making parts of my body feel like bruised. Joints are all like weird and swollen. It's horrible. So apparently it doesn't help when I have my cereal in the morning, my Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Cornflakes, cup of tea. How can tea ever be bad for you, right? But anyway, so Leah this morning on her day off, because it's a day off today, she's not working. She got up and she made me scrambled egg on toast to have with my tablet, because it's better for me. So there you go. The lovely Leah this morning is up in the kitchen doing her thing, and she made me a scrambled egg on toast so I could take my tablets to try and help how I'm feeling. So anyway, it's been a pain in the ass. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Octavio. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, family. Hi, Mike. Hi, Brian. Good morning. Stephen Lewandowski. How much Stephen Lewandowski have you got at the moment? Stephen Lewandowski's cleared the decks. Sometimes it's very good to do that. He's cleared the decks. He's got rid of all his oil and everything else. He's taken money off the table. And I think he said he got $186,000. And he's looking to buy something. What should he buy, folks? Anyone got any ideas? If you've got a favorite stock that you want to pump, if it's a $10 million stock... one of the penny stocks, I guarantee if Stephen Lewandowski buys it this morning, it's going to go up. So you might want to talk to him. You might want to encourage him. Yes, Stephen, can you go all in on me little penny stock? Because that would be great. You might like that. So Stephen Lewandowski, look out for some of our penny stock traders to say, yeah, 186,000, buy this. Anyway, let's have a look. Stone Corbett, 420. That's a secret code, isn't it, or something? Isn't that something to do with Elon Musk? I've never understood it. Is that right, Steve? Strone, 420. I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. Good morning. Core PCE in 85 minutes from now. Yeah, Mike. It's kind of strange. I don't know why. My economic calendar, it's It's not out yet. So, yeah, we're going to get that, what time? 85 minutes, an hour and a half. Okay, an hour and a half. Okay. Yeah, it normally comes out. It's advertised for 7:30 this morning. But I've got all this data that I subscribe to, all this stuff, and then in the end, it's like, I want a discount. All I'm getting, look, is this flashing numbers here. This is my terminal here, giving me all the numbers as it comes in. I pay all these subscriptions for all this stuff, and then it's like not even showing me. Anyway, never mind. It'll be available later. It just make the video go on longer, right? We'll be talking about inflation for another hour and a half. Good morning, all. Lawrence Teo again. Thank you for that wonderful super chat. What a great day! What a great way to start the day. I've got my tea though. Here we go. Lovely. Hi all, Malk, Steve and Mike. Good morning, Jason, Stone, Mike and everybody. Good morning, family. The Queen is here. The Queen of self-braiding. We've missed the Queen. She used to be a regular on the show. She still is one of our moderators. And she was here from day one. Lovely to have you back. Oh, hang on. He's showing off now. $194,000. So, shall we have some fun with this? Shall we have some fun? I'll tell you what. We should have some fun. We should definitely have some fun on this. So what I'm going to do is, Stephen, I'm going to make your very own video. I'm going to make you the star of our show. All right. The time is, here we go. 11:33, 11 minutes. Stephen, bye. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to have some fun today. Shall we pump a stock? Shall we dump a stock? Shall we promote your favorite stock? Do you all want your favorite stock to fly today? Well, we're going to have some fun live on the show. One of our largest members today, and we are having some fun with this. It's real money, but I am having fun. If you know the channel, you know how it works. Stephen Lewandowski, our oil man, today has sold all his oil, cleared all the decks, rebalanced. From time to time, it's important to do that. I've done that back in January. I'll probably never need to do it again, actually, but I've done it in January. And so Stephen's followed suit today, and he's got $194,000. Yay! To buy something. Now, what's he going to buy? I actually spoke to him in the pre-market this morning in the extra channel, and I said, I think Coca-Cola is a good buy here, knowing that he likes, solid returns. Somebody who's made a lot of money doesn't want to lose it, doesn't gamble with money, all right? But he wants to hold his money, guarantee to grow it. And I think Coca-Cola now, with the dividends increasing and we are on an upward trajectory once again now, is a good buy. It was slightly better a couple of days ago. Doesn't matter. It's a good buy, in my opinion. However, we're going to have some fun with this video. I'm recording this live, but imagine we've got lots of our penny stocks that are in the 20 million range, 30 million, 40 million market cap, even 100 million. If you drop $194,000 on a stock like that, it could move. So what would you like Stephen Lewandowski to buy today? He's looking for some financial advice. This is a very, very wise investor, made lots of money, permanently on holiday, doesn't lose money. So you're damn right, he's going to the YouTube comments for his financial advice. So whatever stock that you have, what should Stephen Lewandowski buy today? So think on. If you are in a penny stock that's only a few million and he buys $194,000 worth of it, it's going to pump like crazy today. Shall we have some fun? So I'm making this live. This will come out as its own video later. I will reply to all of the comments, members and non-members, as a special. I never normally do that. I will share the comments on the screen later on this afternoon in the closing bell, and we will reveal what Stephen's going to buy. If he's decided, maybe he's not decided. This is real money, or maybe he'll go from one of your suggestions and buy what you suggest. So, $194,000. What should Stephen buy today? Congratulations, Stephen, by the way. What should he buy? Someone has just mentioned Mobix. Well, Mobix is one of those stocks which could potentially move on that. And we love Mobix right now. It's been going up and up and up, and we see a connection with Nvidia. Hint, hint, nod, nod. I keep telling you about it. But anyway, so there you go. All right, click above my head, down below in the description. Running right now, we're doing 24-hour analysis on the Extra channel. It's our radio show. And later on today, there's going to be an NVIDIA special. All day NVIDIA special. Analysis, news, reports live, where you can chat and be part of your fellow members. All right? This is the event happening right now. And you can see, listen in, look. But cheap isn't always good. There you go. There's analysis. That's a live feed of my camera right now. There's Bitcoin analysis, Bitcoin charts, all the technicals being updated as you see. Down below there are all the tickers. You've also got breaking news at the top. You've also got information about the channel on the main channel. You've also got highlights, other news items, all kinds of stuff. This is 24 hours a day now, live radio show, and we have specials as well. The first one will be today, a live 24-hour NVIDIA special. Wow. Think of that. Think of that. So there's all the latest news as well, breaking there. So go and check that out. NVIDIA special will be coming up shortly. I'll announce it in a minute. It'll happen live in this show. Very, very exciting. And also the highlights, latest videos. When the new videos come out, you can see last night we covered Bitcoin and we also covered why is TPL going down. It's all highlighted in our 24-hour stream, the Martyn Lucas Investor radio show. I love it. Okay, so click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Last couple of days, of course, for the Black Friday sale. If you want our alpha spread free trial, discounts, and so on and so forth, and seeking alpha, links are coming up in the chat. There they are in the chat for you right now. Also, look below the video. Leave me your comments. I will reply to everyone's comments live on the screen, live on the show this afternoon. And let's see what Stephen's going to spend 194 grand on. Maybe one of our favorite stocks will pump today. Will I benefit from it? Absolutely not. I only own the S&P. This is purely for fun, but that is real money. That's no joke. What he does with it is real. Above my head, down below, over here, I shall put, in fact, just down here, I shall put the Extra channel. That little click there is the Extra channel. Over here, I shall put something that might be good. Something that's best for viewer. I have an option for that. Best for viewer. Down here, Alpha Spread. The playlist where I've reviewed all the stocks. Over 200. I said 300 yesterday. I think it's over 200 now, not over 300. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. We got to put that out. That'll be fun. If you want the link to Extra by now, by the way, check in. Many of the Lucas aides now are running these simultaneously to support the channel, and I appreciate that because the money I earn from the Extra channel is going into the Extra channel. So just having it running in the background is a huge help to the channel. Some people are having both running, which is really wonderful. Thank you. All right, let's have a look. Let's read some of the comments. Hi, guys, the Hustle Brothers. Oh, something else as well before I come onto the comments. Somebody messaged me and Ian Smith. Is Ian Smith in the show? Ian Smith. No, Ian Smith is not in the show. If you come in the show, I want to talk to you because you have a question I wanted to answer live on the show. Not to worry, I'll come back to that. Hi guys, the Hustle Brothers. Hiya, hi Queen, hi Hustle, Hustle, Hustle. MSTR or Grinder. Grinder, as in the men only app. Is that what you mean? Can you invest in that? Why would Stephen want that? Hi Mike, thanks Ed. Ed Nevius is here. Ed Nevius, always love to catch you on the live show. Thank you for your service in our Discord channel. It's growing every day. I know people love that. People join it just to talk to you. Really great. Thank you. Ed Nevius is like behind the scenes, working all the time, 24/7. He's always in the Discord channel, providing scalp trades, scalp tips, information. He'll talk to people. He's great. He just sits there quietly and does it all the time. He's always posting. Can't thank you enough. If you've not got on Discord yet, It's a members-only service, but you can be premium if you want to access it all without being a member. But if you want to get it, you can just be upgraded during a live show if you are a member. All right. I see. 420 is the holiday. Yeah, I thought it was something to do with that. Mike, thank you for that. I mean, you're the expert, right? Bart, good morning to you. Are you still in that? Are you still in any of that industry, Mike, or have you pulled out with a new administration coming in? The Hustle Brothers I've owned. Mike pulled out. He sold all his Tilray, and he's been making money ever since, owning the S&P. Good man. Good man. He's now making money consistently every day, and when he gets his dividends from S&P, he'll be able to buy the dip if we get a dip. Absolutely. Just keep doing that. That's what I've done now for a year, and you can see how it's all worked out for me. 5,000 to $133,787,000. We are loving it, loving it, loving it. We're loving it like that. And by the way, just want to say I was right again. I'll say when I'm wrong, but I've been nearly right all year, so I will say it. And if I'm right, I'm right. I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll do both. But was I right about Coca-Cola? It's great. The S&P is doing well. We like it. But Coca-Cola is outperforming it, exactly like I predicted. I would like it to stay down until January the 1st to buy some more, but it's going up, and it's on an upward trend now. The ex-dividend date, I think, has passed. I think it was like yesterday. Or is it today or yesterday? It's very, very close now. I think hang on, let me have a quick look. Plus, of course, you've got the oversold, and it's going to be up next year. I'm looking at 15-20%, which will beat the S&P, which is why I'm in it on my Roth, so I can sell it and then buy back the S&P and gain another share. That's the idea. So Coca-Cola, I think the ex-dividend date is today or yesterday. Yes, it's a 29th, but you need to be settled by the 29th. And if you buy it today, you're probably not going to settle by the 29th. I like to allow 3 days, and we've got Thanksgiving tomorrow. I don't know if it'll be settled. So if you're buying it for the dividend, just be aware you might not get it. It's just worth mentioning. You just might not get it. Anyway, good morning. James. It's time for a nice, refreshing cup of tea. Absolutely. Don't forget, you can all get my mug. Look at that. Best mug in the world. For those who don't know what that is, that's the M for Martin, L for Lucas. You see the England and the US flag joined together because of Leah. I live in America. And in between the M and the L, you see a microphone. Can you see the microphone? Just there. And the crown on the top means the king of the microphone, because I'm a broadcaster, but also because I'm from England, it's royal, right? That's what the logo means. So yes, cheers. Lovely cup of tea. I've got tea and coffee here. I'm mixing it all up this morning. Anyway, good morning. I need some money. Stephen Odowski. Yes, I said the same, fight. I said the same. When Stephen announced to me this morning he's got $194,000, I went, a really good super chat would be nice. I didn't get any response to that, not even to my sarcastic joke. I didn't even get an LOL. Okay, that's funny. I ignored. Blank. Not even an acknowledgement of my comedy genius. Nothing. Ignored it. Didn't even comment to it. I need some money. Yes, Mobix. Yeah, I mean, it certainly would go up. And if I'm right and it becomes a new NVIDIA because it does the 5G integration, can you imagine? You bought it for pennies and he buys $194,000 of it. The stock would pump 100%. It would. If you bought 194 grand, it would move. And on top of that, you've got, and then it does link with NVIDIA, which I think it will one day. You've got a stock that will go to like 30, 40 bucks. He'd be a multi-billionaire. Can you imagine? Anyway, good morning, fight. We're laughing about it now. Can you imagine if it actually happens and he goes, oh my God, you were right. Why didn't I buy that? I had 194. I would have been the richest man in the world. Anyway, Google could be a good option. Google is very good. MicroStrategy. Oh, dear me. Good morning, Stephen Lewin. That was quite good, that wasn't it? That was like a scary villain out of a movie. Actually, it'd be better like this. Ready? I can do that again. Ready? There you go. Even better. How good was that? Come on, admit it. Admit it. It was good, wasn't it? Oh dear. This is supposed to be a financial show. Anyway, hi Stephen. Good morning. I suggest pump and dump a couple of smallest penny stocks. This will make a killer show. I agree. ASD for FDS. Don't worry about Stephen Lewandowski's money. Don't worry about Stephen Lewandowski's life savings. Let's just use it to have some really good videos. Great. Stephen, that comes from ASD, FDS, and I agree. Stephen, I'm going to find you some Alaska Metals. It has a market cap of what, 2 million. Buy that today. We'll make a video. We'll trend. We'll be all over Reddit. We'll be all over Stock Twits. And the moment it goes up, somebody will short it, take it back down. If you're lucky, you might get your money out really quick and make a fortune, or you might lose it all. But it would make a really good video. Strongly recommend you do it. That is financial advice. There you go. I suggest pump and dump. Says ASD. I had 100,000 in MicroStrategy for a bit of a gamble start of the year, and it turned into one. Oh, sorry, you had $100 and it turned into $1,000. Oh, yeah. I was thinking, how did it do that? I'm thinking of selling, just chucking it in the S&P. If you've ever made, honestly, seriously, guys, this is a one-time video, right? Seriously. If you have made huge profits on a crypto stock, MicroStrategy, GameStop, Binky Bong, FFIE, Lucid, I don't care, Mullen. If you've made lots and lots of money, hundreds of percent, 10x it, and you take your money, hopefully in the best way possible for tax purposes, and then you buy the S&P and just leave it there, you're going to be rich enough. Nothing wrong with that. That's what I do. That's what I do every single day. Nothing wrong with that. Boring. Making money is supposed to be boring. It's not supposed to be on the edge of your seat unless you like gambling. Of course, I don't. I think Stephen Lewandowski should buy NVIDIA on the dip. All in. All in, James 007. Good morning, Alan, Dad's, Mr. Bond. Good morning. Hey, Stephen. Good morning, Cameron Griffin. Good morning, Bart. Don't spend it all in one place. No, Ed. We don't want that sort of advice. We're going all in. We're going all in on a $1 million market cap. We don't want that sort of information. Good morning, Cameron. You know, Martin, the dog could have bit your hands or arms, and that could have been bad for you. Maybe not playing music. Absolutely. If the dog had bit my hands, then I wouldn't have been asking for the medical bills. I would have been asking for $1 million. Yeah, if the dog had bit my hands and I couldn't work, I've got insurance for stuff like that. I would have been getting my attorney on it, and there would have been a lawsuit. Absolutely. It's just my leg though. Don't need my legs. I can just sit down, right? Yeah. Let it go. Yeah, if it'd been my hands, it would have been very different. Thank you, Martin. Love all. You do, Ed. You're brilliant, mate. Good morning, everyone. Says James. Luke says, don't forget to drink lots of tea every day. Come join the show. Financial advice and health tips. Drink tea. He's not right. He's not wrong. Did you know something else? The magic properties of tea. The other day, Leah got a little sty in her eye. She said, what do I do? I tell you what you got to do. I have an answer for that. Oh, yeah, of course you do. Dr. Martin, you have an answer. I do. A tea bag. A tea bag. Was I right, James? Or was I right? The sty went away in a couple of days. The tea does wonders. The hot compress off the tea. So I make a cup. She makes me a cup of tea. Double benefit, right? Take the tea bag out and just put it on your eye. It's warm. It helps the cells, the follicles in the eyelashes excrete, because that's what happens. Oil gets stuck, excretes, and the tea, actually, there's properties in the tea which bring down the inflammation as well. Yes, did you know that? Now you do. Tea is rubbish, says Fight Channel. He's trying to start a fight. Less coffee, more tea. He's right. And by the way, those that want tea without milk, you're an idiot, right? Tea without milk is vegetable soup. Get with the program, put milk in it. If you're having it without tea, we're not supporting vegetable soup. We're supporting tea. Tea comes with milk, all right? I don't know why the cow doesn't live next to the tea tree. It should live next to the tea tree, so it'd be efficient for the farmer. That's what we need. We need cows living next to tea trees from now on. Can we get the anthem, Every Market Open? You can't make requests like that, Matthew. You're not a member. If you were a member, you can request anything you like. You can make requests like that, and they happen. Ask all the members. Should I buy Mobix? Let's have a quick look at Mobix. Wow, it's up again 3% today. I just keep telling people no one's paying any attention to me. I don't know what to say. Let me share some information. I've got so much to share with you. Okay. Okay. How can I zoom in? I want to be able to share this with you. Okay. Okay. Mobix Labs, I have got a world exclusive. Stand by your beds. Stand by your beds. Stand by your beds. Direct from Mobix itself. World exclusive. Mobix. Mobix Labs, world exclusive. I have just received a message from Mobix Labs directly. And I want to be absolutely clear here. Someone said to me and sent me a message, and I hope they join the live show so I can explain. They are fans of the show, members of the show, one of the Lucas aides, and always protecting the integrity of the show, integrity of the information I provide, and so on and so forth. And some people, and he made this comment to protect the channel and help me, not to criticize. Some people may have misunderstood my last video about Mobix, saying that I was implying that the stock was up because of my world exclusive interview. That was not what I was suggesting or at any point said, but some people could perceive that. What I said was the stock was up since the since the interview. Because we do rank number one for the stock. As you know, I don't pump and dump stock. I only own the S&P. I'm just here to bring great news to help provide information to our investors and so on and so forth. And it was true that the stock did pump after the interview, as I expected it to do so, because obviously the CEO wanted to reveal great news, and there was more to follow, and there's more coming. And as it comes out, obviously the continued great news is pushing the stock up. So yes, it's up again today. It's just dropped a few moments ago. It was up nearly 3% a few moments ago. People taking profits again, but about a 30% swing since the interview. And I've just received another world exclusive. Just received this from Mobix now, so I'm going to share this with you now. This is a stock that I like. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I only own the S&P, but I can see a future connection here with NVIDIA, and I'm going to be putting that question to the earnings, the official earnings call live. I'll be broadcasting the earnings as well as calling in. It's going to be an incredible moment for me. But let me share with you, I'll also invite you to join me for the earnings in a moment, but I'm going to share with you this message I have just received directly from Mobix a few moments ago, and I'm going to share it with you now live on the show. So this is a world exclusive. I've just got this message. This information is publicly available, how I'm able to obviously bring it to you. There's nothing inside here or anything strange, but I'm just getting information from Mobix directly so I can share it with you during the show. So this is what I've got, and I'm very excited to bring it to you now. So let me share with you the actual text I received on X. Most of you that follow me on X do see I post these things and share these things. So if you want to follow me on X, there is the link in the chat, and there's Instagram. I have relationships with CEOs, hedge fund managers, people in Wall Street, and this is where I get my information from. There's many other sources, but I do share it there. So if you want to be up to date with it as it happens, rather than waiting for the video, that's how you do it. Let me show you my private personal text between me and my source at Mobix. At Mobix Labs, we are proudly initiated a third acquisition reflecting one of our core principles, driving shareholder value through strategic acquisitions. Our latest acquisition, Spacecraft, is set to close by mid-January. Once finalized, it will mark a significant milestone as Spacecraft is a key supplier of parts for filtered connectors, the cornerstone product of one of our earlier acquisitions, EMI Solutions. This acquisition is a prime example of how our focused strategy continues to strengthen our market position and deliver value to our shareholders. Moreover, we are proud to have achieved our goal of acquiring 3 businesses this year, a target we strive to meet annually. There's information in there that is world exclusive. You've never heard it put like that before. So there you go. Please do consider subscribing to our channel, and we are all over this stock now at the moment. We do rank number 1 in the world for it. I am going to be on the earnings call, so I'd like to invite you to the earnings call. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Also pinned to the comments, you'll find all the links, the extra channel where we are live 24 hours a day with live analysis, live news, live commentary, live chat. 24 hours a day I'm reviewing stocks. This is it. You can listen in right now. Here's an example. This is officially the best stock I've ever seen. Oh, there we go. I think I'm talking about 90%. I have never seen a 90%. There you go. What am I talking about? Well, you'll have to tune in. It's a 24-hour-a-day radio show. Also, I want to invite everyone, you've got the last couple of days now to grab your Black Friday deal for Alpha Spread and Seeking Alpha. I'll put that in the chat. It's also below in the comments and pinned to the chat at the top. And finally, I shall put here the Mobix Labs playlist. And down here, I shall put the Mobix Labs earnings, which of course we're going to cover. The date is not confirmed yet, so it'll go to the right event. The date just might shift, but it will say the date on the video. So it won't. This link will still be relevant. It just might change its date, but the link will be relevant. Okay, I just want to make sure everyone joins me. Should be a big event. All right, there you go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Let me read some of these comments. Where are we now? Okay. We got 20 minutes before the bell goes. Now then, let me read some of these comments. Morning all. Can we buy 6 stocks where NVIDIA is investing? Can we buy 6 stocks where NVIDIA is investing? Soundtown, Nunax, APLD, etc. That's a good idea. Oh, hang on. You're approved to trade equity and ETF in your IRA with no commission. What's this? Just receives information. You're approved to trade equity and ETF options in your IRA with no commission or pre-contract fees. Robinhood. Okay. I'll take a look at that later then. Thank you very much, Robinhood, for letting me know. Martin, you think NVIDIA will hit 100 a share? Sensei certainly believes it can do that. Not saying it will do that. Should we have a quick look at NVIDIA for a moment? We've got a bit of time. Where's my NVIDIA gone? There it is. Okay, let me cover a couple of things. Right. Okay. Let me talk. I'm just going to do something here a moment. Just please bear with me. I'm going to set up a show and cover this NVIDIA information. NVIDIA. Okay. That works. NVIDIA. Right. So, just bear with me. We're still waiting for the CPI report. That'll be out in about an hour and 15, I think it is. Switch account. Just setting up a new event. We're doing a all-day news on NVIDIA on the Extra channel today. Running live. Create. Go live. Schedule a stream. Just bear with me a second. I'm just going to create a new event here. So, NVDA, oopsie daisy, NVDA stock, NVIDIA, (24-hour) live. Date and news. Will it drop to $100? Okay. Okay, NVIDIA dropped to 100, 24-hour live debate and news. Okay, that's there. Put that there. Just bear with me. It's going to take me a couple of moments. And then I will answer your question about NVIDIA. Because there is some chance it could. But does it matter? And it's an opportunity to buy more. That's all it is. There we go. Right. Okay. I need to grab that. I know you can't see what I'm doing at the moment. I apologize for that, but I want to get this out before inflation data is revealed. Okay, there we go. And I'll use that one. Okay. Let's drop that into there. Live show. Done. Show more. Nope. NVDA. NVIDIA. Whoops a daisy. NVDA stock. NVIDIA stock. Okay. Okay. Just about done. Now then, we've never done this before. This is a complete test. Members only. That's the only way we do the extra channel. 27. Yeah. 8. 20. Okay, that's now done. So we're going to answer this question and provide content which should help. Hi all. Right. It's all set now. What time have we got? 14 minutes before the bell goes. We're okay. Right. Hopefully this will work. I've never done this before. Let's take that from there to there. Right, I know some of you are in the extra channel. So let me just change this now. Bear with me. I'm going to see if this works. I've never done this before. There we go. Right. Okay, that's working. Now what we're going to do is we're going to end the extra channel now and send you to an NVIDIA all-day special. See what happens. Redirect to there. Yes. Okay. Right. Now if you're on the extra channel now, it's about to end and go to an NVIDIA special with live chat and debate for those that want to talk about NVIDIA all day. There's going to be a live poll. You can communicate with each other and discuss whether you think NVIDIA is going to go to $100. There's a lot of chance it could. So the event has just begun. So let me now end it and start it. Just doing that now. Okay. Now I should be able to restart this. Let's have a look, see if this works. And I'm going to give you closed captions because we've got an audience all over the world who want to. If you want closed captions, you just simply select it on the screen and you can get closed captions. Right, that's going to start now. And right, that should work. Okay, it's an NVIDIA special on the extra channel, but now we're going to answer your questions as well here. And let's see how this works out. Right, stand by. We've got 10 minutes before the bell goes. We're going to ring the bell and check in on the inflation as well. So don't worry about that. Let me switch back my account. Investor there. Right. That should have now started. Yeah, Black Friday sale. That would have been a good title. Yeah, that would have been a good title. What is it? Stand by for that. I'll tell you the connection between that and this, and you could be up 30% today already. Okay, there we go. There's the NVIDIA. So I'm going to put a poll in here. Start a poll. Will NVIDIA drop to $100? That's the question. I'm going to share this on the screen in a minute so you can see this. Yes, no, or undecided. Okay. Start the poll. Right. There you go. This is the first time we've ever done this, so let me share with you what I've done. This is I'll give you the link right now. This is the extra channel. This is going to run 24 hours for a live debate, live conversation, live news, reports, analysis on NVIDIA. This is the event. It's happening in the extra channel. This is what it looks like and sounds like. Okay.
Just as easy.
And again, we just want to be careful. I'm talking NVIDIA. I've got Jensen Wang, got interviews from Jensen Wang, video. All the rest of it, that's running there. You can listen in. There's the live feed of me right now. There's all the technical analysis on the screen and all the rest of it. So you might want to be debating that, whether you think NVIDIA is going to go down, and we can watch the debate. We can see what people say. James, one of our moderators, is already in there taking care of everything. People are already hopping in. Right, that's taking care of that. And now let's answer your questions. Can we, right, tea's all you need, yes. Can we buy 6 stocks? Martin, okay, it's all started from this. So let me do this now. NVIDIA. NVDA. What's a daisy? NVDA. Okay, let's have a look at this now. The time is 52 minutes. NVDA 52. Don't forget we got all the analysis as well I want to do as well, because I want to open it up this afternoon, the closing bell. So NVIDIA special live 24 hours starting right now on the extra channel. We're asking you the question, is NVIDIA about to go to $100? There is some evidence to suggest that could happen. Sensei has provided charts to suggest that could happen. And what we're doing now on the extra channel, which is now our live radio show, we're running 24 hours a day, and we have an NVIDIA special just started. And when you see this video, you can hop in. People are listening to NVIDIA debate, NVIDIA information, analysis, reports, news, and so on and so forth. But also, they're chatting with each other, discussing with each other their thoughts on NVIDIA. So let me share with you what's going on. This is the extra channel, and you can listen in to the debate right now about a stock where I did a world exclusive a few days ago. talking about NVIDIA. This is my live camera feed, so you can see me all day in the chat. We've also got a poll running as well, and as you can see, there is the poll live. You can debate this in the chat. So will NVIDIA drop to 100? 10% say yes, 80% say no, and 10% undecided at the moment. You can see James, Mike, they've just jumped in there. It's a Black Friday sale for NVIDIA, and this will run 24 hours at the moment until we get a resolution, until we see it bounce back up again. So if you want to discuss NVIDIA, talk to fellow investors, you can. They're all in the chat there for you, and we'll see how that goes. But NVIDIA is the way I see it is this. We said if it broke 140, it could go lower. It did, and it has. Is that a concern? Am I bothered? I own NVIDIA, remember, maybe now about $13,500, not the 15 anymore, because I own it in the S&P. Am I worried? No. I'm expecting a rally by the end of the year. If you are buying the stock individually, I see this as a buying opportunity, not as a bad thing at all. If you were looking to get on the NVIDIA train right now and thinking, yes, this is time for me to get in, what I would do, this would be my suggestion, this is not financial advice at all. If I wasn't in NVIDIA and I wanted to be NVIDIA, you have to have a balanced portfolio. As you know, I'm constantly breaking records. I'm up again today, 133,000, nearly 134,000 from $5,000. Always up, never losing money, always breaking records, which is great, right? You have to be balanced and organized and disciplined and structured. So if I was buying NVIDIA today, this is what I would do. I would look at my portfolio. I wouldn't just be in NVIDIA. That's a crazy thing to do. No matter how good it is, it's not the right thing to do. You need balance. I would say if I had $1,000 today and I wanted to invest, what I'd probably do is I'd put 70% of my $1,000 allocation in today. That way, I've got $300 left to add on a further dip. If it goes up, that's fine. Remember, we were all-time highs just a few days ago, so people can always take profits as we come into tax season in January and all these other reasons. So there'll be volatility. We've got an inflation report out today that will present more volatility throughout the day. So I would just edge myself into it, but I wouldn't drip myself into it. I'd go 70% in today at this price because the forward PE ratio is still good. It's still good value. I could live with that. I've got no problem with that at all. I'm happy with that. However, I would want to hold some money back just to be able to buy the dip. Now, obviously, I do things differently because I'm all in. I never hold money back at all. I just use margin because I prefer to have my money actually working for me as opposed to sitting around doing nothing. So I do things differently, but I'm not suggesting anyone else do what I do. That's just me. Anyway. So there you go. That's what I would do with NVIDIA, and that's what I have. That's what I, would do with my money if I was buying it, and that's what I am doing by owning the S&P. If you want to join the debate today and you want to be part of it and talk to everybody and hear the latest news, videos, and things you may have missed and analysis, you can see it's still going down. Look. You might want to join in the debate, share your thoughts in the chat. It's live chat for everybody. You can share your thoughts and feelings and so on and so forth. All right. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post down here the extra channel. We are live 24 hours a day. Over here, I'll put the actual event on extra right now as well, so you can go and check that out. And down here, I'll put the NVIDIA playlist so you can watch the individual videos on your own if you want. But if you want to watch with the community and discuss with people, that's how you do it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, NVIDIA is still falling as we just come up to the bell. So let's keep our eye on my portfolio is still going up. Yep, still up. NVDA. I don't know why I can't spell NVIDIA. We'll keep that there. We'll keep the main account there. So we're keeping an eye as we come up to the bell now. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Lots of comments in. We'll go members only in a minute so I can get to all the comments. 1 minute to go. I'm going to add an NVIDIA chart as well throughout the day to that. Good morning. One of the questionable people I mentioned last week was arrested yesterday for being a dealer. He made my life at times difficult, but I kept my powder dry and waited to see 2 years. This was what's going on there, Christopher. Okay, we're coming up to the bell. We're going to keep our eye on NVIDIA. It's dropping quickly now. It's down 1.38%. Okay, let's go over to Wall Street.
To Blackwell. Coming from NVIDIA. Remember, they're
We're about to ring the
partner
bell.
there and do a lot of business. Also, keep in mind, David Dell had seen the tremendous run-up into this result.
Here we go.
Potentially why stock is getting
It's
hit
falling,
so hard
falling,
today, but
falling,
the
falling
forecast
at the
missed by
moment.
$1 billion on revenue.
Yeah, it's interesting that it's consumer that conceivably is what is pressuring the stock, given it's a small percentage of their business. But down 18% is not nothing. What were they, up 3% or so, I think, in terms of the corporate side of the
bell
PC
is about to
business.
go.
But
Here
that
we
down
go.
18% for consumer is certainly concerning investors. And as Sarah mentioned, though, you think AI is the growth engine here.
The bell has gone. NVIDIA is crashing down. NVIDIA is going down 1.69. Down she goes. There it is. We said it could do just this before the bell. And there it is. NVIDIA is going down. It's now on sale. My overall portfolio is absolutely fine. It's not even moving on it. This is a great opportunity now to buy the S&P 500. Because if you buy the S&P 500 and everything else is going up, you will benefit from this. A good time to buy the S&P when NVIDIA goes down so much. There we go. Let's let's check all our stocks this morning and see what's moving.
Thanks, David. Always.
Here we go. Let's go for all our positions. You can see the overall portfolio is taking a dive. NVIDIA now is down 2%. Let's go through our positions. Here we go. NVIDIA is on sale. S&P 500 going down. S&P Global is up. Virgin Galactic is up 3.85. Wow, who'd have thought that? Palantir up today. Look at that. That's soaring. Up 1.7. There you go. Gold is up today at 0.83. Amazon taking a bit of a dive this morning. Apple straight back up again. Flat now. Next year Energy up 0.48 with that incredible dividend. Enphase Energy. Was I right or was I right about Enphase Energy? Hope you bought it at 65. Coca-Cola up today 0.28. Was I right about Coca-Cola or what? That's going up. Johnson & Johnson, that dividend, and up to $200 going to go there. Chevron Oil up 0.29 today. Tesla up 0.43. Rivian up 3%. I don't care how much that goes up. I would not buy that at all. I do not like it. McDonald's $2.97 up 0.38 today. Google on sale down 0.2. Microsoft down today 0.555. And NVIDIA is down 2% now. It's on sale. It's a Black Friday sale. We're going to talk about that again, I think, in a moment. We'll make another video on it. Walmart is up today 0.68. Tilray is up 0.74. Robinhood is up 2.72. IonQ is up 1.35. Rocket Lab is up 1.1. Plug is up today 3.38. Look at Plug over that $2. Did you buy it under $2? Hopefully you did. What an opportunity that was. Congratulations, all that did that. Bitcoin's going up today 1.74. I would not be chasing it. I would have sold it like I said at 98. I would have then bought back at 90. That's what I said, and that's what's happening. XRP is up today 5%, $1.43. Oh, I bet Sensei is all jumping up and down like a crazy man this morning. What do I mean, like a crazy man? He is a crazy man. He's a metal. What do they say? Crazy metal man something. It's in all the movies in America. Don't know what it is. Anyway, Mobix going back up again, down slightly, but starting to go back up again today. Down 1.72, but edging back up again once again. Let's go back to NVIDIA. That's the big story today. NVIDIA is taking a wallop right now. So let's come out of this music for right now. Okay, sorry, I had to just end that music. Sorry about that, but it needed to be done because I need to focus on NVIDIA right now. So we need to come back to NVIDIA once again and see what's going on. I see this as a great opportunity. Let's have a look. $1.04. NVDA Black Friday. That's a great one. I like that. I like that, James. 104. Okay. NVIDIA Black Friday sale. Absolutely right. A Black Friday sale is happening right now for NVIDIA. No doubt about it. It is. We can see NVIDIA going down today, and we are running a 24-hour live special today on the Extra Channel, giving you a chance to listen to live debate, discuss with each other. There's information analysis on NVIDIA running all day, like a radio show on my Extra Channel. People are tuning in. When I end the show in a minute, we can all go over there and tune into that. NVIDIA day today. NVIDIA is on sale. We did tell you it would go to 140. It did. We then said if it breaks 140, it went above 140, didn't it? We said if it broke 140, Sensei gave you the information and said if it breaks 140, it could go down to $100. We're now down at 133. And a few moments ago, I gave you the information of how I would be getting back in on this, explaining the allocation rule, sticking to it, have discipline. But right now, there's no doubt about it. NVIDIA is having a Black Friday sale. Now, maybe I can bring you some breaking news as well as we do this to add to our debate today. Yes. Okay, this is what's not helping either. I'm going to bring it. This is just out literally minutes ago. I'm digesting it to make sure that this is credible and I can use it. So I'm going to provide this for you now. First of all, the information that was out seconds ago. Okay, this is the report I've just got in. So let me cover this now. If you like this breaking news, please do tap the like button. Each time you watch one of these videos, please do tap the like button. It really helps. And consider subscribing as well. It's really, really helpful if you do that. Thank you very much indeed. But let me go over to this. This is just out a few moments ago. Dell's results. Now, Dell's results were lumpy, as we know, and there's correlation here. Dell's results and guidance were lumpy. They invest with NVIDIA and vice versa. But Wall Street is keeping the faith. Well, somebody isn't. Somebody's selling out today. Let's have a look. Although Dell Technologies' third quarter results were mostly in line with expectations, it's guidance. Remember, it's about guidance for NVIDIA as well. Are things slowing down? Is the bubble bursting? Well, I don't believe it has. I just believe this is an opportunity to buy more. I really, really do. Black Friday sale. I'm going to do it again. I've got my little thing here. I'm going to use it again. Boom, 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 boom. Black Friday sale. And the shares fell 12%, even on okay earnings in pre-market trading, while competitors, HP, we talked about HP as well, and HP Enterprise also lost again. Supermicro Computer bucked the trend and rose 2.5%. We talked about SMCI a lot recently. Go and check out those videos. Now, while AI revenues were down slightly, down 6% quarter over quarter, order book backlog increased by 11%. This is what we're saying. The order book is full. We've got no issues there at all. And 16% quarter over quarter. With pipeline, while the pipeline grew by 50% quarter over quarter, now estimated to be 23 billion plus. City analyst Asia Merchant wrote in a note to clients, merchants added that Dell remains confident in its growth drivers in all segments as it has a robust AI pipeline. The mainstream server market continues to recover. The storage market sees momentum and the PC market looks to be recovering. Merchant kept her buy rating but lowered her price target from 156 to 160. To 156 from 160. Looking to the fourth quarter, Dell said it expects to earn between 2.4 and 2.6 per share on an adjusted basis, below the 265 per share estimate. Sales and forecast to be below between 24 billion and 25 billion, below the 25.59 estimate. So there we go. We've got slowing down, but everything is still strong. I want to come to this point here. However, Dell's strength in AI servers is intact, even if delays from NVIDIA's Blackwell We're still talking about delays. Line of GPUs have pushed out some AI-related revenue. Worth mentioning the word delays coming in. We've not had no report from NVIDIA, but that's mentioned in this report. So I just thought I'd bring that to you. The stock's going up again, so by now you'd have already made some money if you bought that. Done very well, actually, if you just bought that dip. So as far as I'm concerned, it's a Black Friday sale. However, we did say if it broke 140, it could drop to 100. The chance would suggest so. If you would like to take part in our 24-hour marathon today, we're running it on the Extra channel. It's our radio show. It's live. Grand worth of NVIDIA. You can hear NVIDIA. I'm talking about it. I'm showing you latest news as it comes out as well. These will be updated live throughout the day. You can see me behind the scenes as well. You'll see me sitting here working as well, bringing the information. You've also got the live chat. They've got a live debate. We've now got 22 votes. Will NVIDIA drop to 100? We've got 18% of you say yes, it will. 74% say no. So if you want to take part in this poll, I'm going to give you the link. Here it is. You can take part. When I finish the show in a moment, you can. This is being made live. You can jump in that stream and continue that as I work in the studio and get more information out on the videos. All right, great stuff. So there you go. Going up, I missed it already. Kazansky, that's why you got to join us live, my friend. There it is. I said go in at that point with 70%. If it goes up, let it run. Wait for another little dip. Absolutely. Take some profit. Take seed money. Do all this in your IRA would be the way to do it so you don't pay any tax. Anyway, there's an NVIDIA Black Friday special. Join us live in the Extra channel. It's going to be live 24 hours, and we'll watch how this goes and put in your trades. Tell us how you're doing. Anyway, click above my head. Down below in the description, I'll post all the links for you. The Extra channel is down here. I'll also put the event right now that's happening on Extra, and down here I'll put the NVIDIA playlist. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, okay. All right, let me just get that. Wow, there's a big audience. If everyone could tap the like button, that'd be amazing. One of our best audiences on Extra today. Awesome stuff. Let me have a look. I need to find some information on SMCI. I need to see that. Let me see. That news is rubbish. Someone trying to promote something. As we're not using that. SMCI. Okay. Okay. Super micro. Okay. 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 There we go. Look at that. There you go. There it was. There it was. There was the opportunity right there. Take some profit. There's some money to be made there. Look at that. Exactly as we said. Fantastic. Fantastic. Exactly as we said. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Hope you made some money there. SMCI. Wow, look at it. Look at it. Okay. This is awesome. Wow, you can just make money off one and buy the other one. Absolutely perfect. Love that. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Take money from do that again. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. You could be making money this morning very, very easily with NVIDIA. I've just done a Black Friday sale and explained what's going on with a 24-hour live chat running, a live debate with an NVIDIA special all day today. That's running on the Extra channel. Super Microcomputer is butting the trend and going the complete opposite way. So what an opportunity today to make money. Take some profit right now from Super Microcomputer and buy the dip on Nvidia. Some of you have been doing that. I can see it on the screen. It's quite plain to see. Let me show you Nvidia. What's going on this morning is people are taking profits here. We said if it broke 140, it would go down to potentially $100. We're having a live debate on the Extra channel. Tune into that. But I've got some news about blah, blah, blah. What am I saying? It's happening so quickly. This is the live event on Extra Channel. Live debate here going through all the Nvidia. I'm going to wait in between now. There's the Nvidia story. Plus, we've got all the live debate. We're running a poll. Is it going down to $100? So now what you should be doing, in my opinion, not financial advice, is taking profits from Super Microcomputer, which is bucking the trend. We've got about half an hour to go before we get the inflation report. Take some profit. Hopefully you can do it in a tax-free environment and buy Nvidia because we're on a Black Friday sale. So what's happening with Nvidia? What's happening today with SMCI? Let me bring that on the screen and also just tell you that Nvidia is right now on a Black Friday sale. Let me take you over there now. Look at this. It went down. I told everyone to buy it here. I said, buy it here with 70% of your allocation. Hold back the 30% of your allocation. And boom, it went straight up, just as I said it. Again, breaking records. Again, get in. So there you go. There's Nvidia. But what I think you should be doing now is taking profit from Super Microcomputer, which is really bucking the trend today, and buy Nvidia on a sale. But don't be surprised if Nvidia goes lower. It could go as low as 100. But what would you rather own? An unknown quantity or a known quantity? For me, it's a no-brainer. Take the money from Supermicro and buy Nvidia. We got this news out. It doesn't really tell us anything new, but this was a headline a couple of days ago, which was going around and sort of promoting Supermicro at the moment. Supermicro Computer up 78% this week. What has changed in the order to exit? We talked about it on a couple of days ago. Go and check my SMCI playlist and you'll get the latest information about SMCI. But this is a great morning for making money. At the end of the day, we are investors. I'm a long-term investor. I own it. I own the S&P long-term, which means I own a good chunk of Nvidia. But to me, as you know, I like to trade in my Roth IRA when I'm not on air because I just can't do it all at once. I do it on my vacation. If I was on my vacation now, I would absolutely be taking profit from Supermicro and buying Nvidia. Absolutely, 100%. 100%. That's what I'd be doing if I was on vacation and I could focus on my actual trades. Anyway, there you go. That's looking good. Supermicro, join the live 24-hour feed right now for Nvidia. We're going to go there ourselves in a moment. This is being made during a live show. It's a huge day. Black Friday sale for Nvidia, and boom, there's your money to buy it from Supermicro. What an opportunity this is. This is a gift. It's a total gift today, half an hour before CPI. So just bear that in mind. Please bear that in mind. The overall portfolio is up again today. I'm up again, all-time records again. Nearly $134,000 from $5,000. Keep making money. Never lose. Always make money. Look at this now, Nvidia. If you'd bought that dip now, you'd be very, very happy. Still worth it. It could go lower though. Just bear that in mind. Okay, click above my head for all the links down below in the description. What a day for SMCI. Take some money off the table. Don't let it run too much, just in case we get another scare. Over here, I shall put the event that's running live now. We have these 24-hour live events, live debate, news, so on and so forth on Supermicro computer. Sorry, not Supermicro. I beg your pardon. On what am I saying? On Nvidia, and down here I shall put the Supermicro Computer playlist so you can check out all the latest information on SMCI. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Wow, what a day this is turning out to be. What do you think about TPI? I said to buy that dip, didn't I? I said people around me are buying that dip. And Mobix Labs, look at it again. Look at it again, Mobix Labs. It just keeps on going up. I'm telling you, I'm trying to tell people about this. 90 cents now. You'd have made nearly 50% now from the time the interview came out. This is very exciting. Very, very exciting indeed. Let me just open up a couple of things. Just a moment. I just need to connect. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Yes. I know. Yes, there we go. Lovely. There you go. That's my back camera, back of the studio, so I can see what's going on. Right, come on, plug. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. I'm loving the gains through I know. Set a stop. Look, oh my gosh. There's too much happening at once for me to report it all. There's too much for me to cover. I've got to do it again. Stop trail. Do it, for God's sake, do it. Huge amounts of money now. Huge amounts of money being made everywhere on our favorite stocks now. This is just nuts, bonkers. SMCI, set a stop trail order. I'm screaming down the camera because I know so many of you messaged me going, I bought on when it was up, then I sold when it was down, and how do I make money? Right now, it's free money. Do this on your IRA, though. Don't pay tax on it if you can. What you should be doing now is a stop trail order. It's straight up. Super Micro is straight up now. Now, what is a stop trail order? What that is, if you just click, there's so much volatility now, there's so much volume in this, it's going to go up and down like a flipping yo-yo. You just can't see it. You look at it and you think it's straight. It's not straight. It's going up and down very, very quickly in milliseconds. You just can't see it on Robinhood. Bear that in mind. So if you just go sell now or buy now, why you'd be buying on the way up, I don't know. But if you go sell now, don't expect to get 36.74 or 75, 78. 83, because you won't. It doesn't work that way. The market maker has to make money, and it's moving up and down. You might sell it when it's actually 36, nearly $1 less, because that's just how it works. Do not do a lazy, sat on the toilet, sell because you're all excited. Set a stop trail order. What does that do? Full disclosure, no guarantee it works, because if the stock drops really quickly, they can't close the orders fast enough. Doesn't always work. Your brokerage might provide insurance for that, which does exist, but then it gets a bit expensive if you're a small retail investor. Just bearing in mind, stop trail orders work 99.99999% of the time. However, if there's a big like GameStop moment, up or down dramatically, don't expect it to clear then. But it just can't process those orders. What I'd be doing right now is I'd be setting a stop trail order, looking at this going, okay, it's up, I'm up 6.5%. What I would do is this now. I've got a great profit, nearly what I can earn nearly all year on the S&P, sort of maybe 8 months of the S&P, right? Great. Nvidia's on sale. I want to get money. I want to buy Nvidia, Black Friday sale. I've got to do that. So what am I going to do? Stop trail order. Put it in right now for 1% drop. You can see how much it's going up by. 1% drop. Now, you might want to go, yeah, but I want to stay in longer. We all want more and more money, right? Don't get greedy. Just make a profit. Don't worry. Set a 1% drop. Now, you might find it goes straight away because it's moving just because you can't see it. It is moving. What you can do then is if it goes up another 1 or 2%, you could say, okay, I'm loving this now. I'm okay with this now. I'm going to cancel the order and set a 2% drop. Just reassign it. Now it can move a bit more, stay in the game a bit longer, but you're guaranteed to get out with a decent profit, okay? If it shoots up to 10% in a moment, you might say, okay, I'll cancel the order and I'll put a 3% trail order in there. So now it can move 3% and still end up more than where I am now, and I'm still going to be happy. Or you might go, I'm done with it, I'm fine with it, and you might just set a stop trail order of 0.5% and let it go the moment it drops the smallest amount. You could do that, but don't expect it to stay in the market. It could just literally trigger in seconds. I've done that loads of times. So, that's what you should be doing, in my opinion. This is absolutely crazy how fast this is moving. The S&P is holding flat right now. If I bring you back to Nvidia, just very quickly, this is showing you live what's going on. Nvidia is still going down. We just said that a few moments ago. We said if it breaks 140, it's likely to go to $100. I told you at that moment there, the moment it hit the bottom this morning, I said, buy that position there. And then I said, take profit. All of you can check back the videos. I'm not just making this stuff up. Everything is on video record. I said, take the profit. Take the 2% profit. This is how I did 19 trades and 19 wins in October. I never lose on trades. Never, ever lose on trades. Okay? Since I rebalanced in January, full disclosure. Since then, never lost on a trade. I said take that 2% profit. It will go lower. It could go to 100. It's now going lower again. So what you could have done now is taken that profit and now start buying it again with the money you're making over there on SMCI. This is a golden opportunity today. You don't get this very often when two stocks like this in the same field are fighting each other. And people are bouncing from one to the other, and it's just free money. But don't get greedy. Don't think you can outsmart the market. Don't think you can beat anyone. Don't try to beat anyone, but consistently make profits inside. There it goes. There it goes. We had SMCI just sell there. That would have been your trigger. And it's going down quick. See, look, take that money, get that money out before it drops, and then go back and buy NVIDIA on the way down. This is just the perfect setup. I only wish I wasn't on air right now and I would trade this. This is what I did in October. 19 trades, 19 wins. This is so easy to win if you're not trying to compete with the market. You're just taking profits. It's bloody obvious. Super micro, uncertainty, unnecessary pump. However, what you've got is NVIDIA on sale because people are taking one to buy the other. It's free money. I'm so excited for everybody. I want to hear back that everybody made money today. We've got a live 24-hour NVIDIA special today running over on the Extra channel. I'm going to end this show and take you all there now. This is it. We've got a live debate going on, live analysis. This is what people are saying. Let me show you here. The poll is now saying, is NVIDIA going to 100? Yes, 15%. No, 74. Undecided, 12. People in the chat having a conversation. You can debate while listening to me do lots of...
Well, people are modernizing their data centers.
There's Jensen Wang on the show giving me information. It's all there for you. You cannot afford to miss this. It's a perfect day to make money. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And some of you just said, I just missed that pump. Now it's chance to do it again. But remember, make your allocation, stick to it. The 70% rule, because you want to be in this stock. You want to be in this stock. This isn't like 20%, tip your toe in. You want to be in. So just remember, it's easy to make money. It's easy as falling off a log. Look how much money I've made from $5,000. It's easy. The hard part is to keep it. Don't try and time the market. Don't try and beat the market. But obviously, when you've got a stock pumping like this, now your stop trail order would have triggered where I said it would have done. You could then buy it again and let it run again. Me, I would be done with it. I'd be done with it, and I'd be over here buying NVIDIA with my profits. That's what I'd be doing. Click above my head for all the links down below. If I was off air now, I would be doing it. Down below in the description. I need to go on vacation again. This is just free money. Over here, I should put the live event on Extra where we're going to go now. And down here, I shall put the SMCI playlist, because this was an SMCI video, wasn't it? I think it was. Yes, it was. It was a stop trail order for SMCI. It's happening too quickly. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Bloody hell, this is bonkers. Right, I'm going to get one more quick thing in, and I just got to go. I've got to put these videos out. My portfolio is going up on my Roth. The main account is absolutely fine. We got to do Mobix, MOBX. It's pumping like crazy again today. Just quickly, then this is it. I've got to get off after this to join the Extra channel live debate. Okay. Bitcoin 94, 95. That's on the way up again as well today. Okay. Like I said, sold it at 98, bought it back at 92. Now ride it up again. Mobix Labs, world exclusive. It's pumping again today. You know what I've said about the connection with NVIDIA. I've just revealed to you a world exclusive video, a message directly from Mobix in the previous video. Check it out if you missed it, or look at the Mobix playlist. I'll give you the link in a second. Above my head, down below, and at the end coming up. I'll give you all that. But Mobix Labs today is up 5.66. I absolutely love this. And I said, and I want to be absolutely clear, my world exclusive interview with the CEO did not pump the stock. What I said was in my video that the Mobix Lab interview would pop the stock. The stock would pop after the interview, not because of my interview, because of the information contained in the interview from the CEO, not because of me, because of the information that was contained therein. And it's been going up ever since. You'd be up now, a few moments ago, you'd have been up 50%. I see and I stand by there could be a correlation here between Nvidia and Mobix. And I'm going to put that question live on the earnings to Mobix about it. I'm going to be on the official earnings call, phoning in live. I'm going to be broadcasting it while phoning in. How cool is that? I'm bringing you world exclusive here. Mobix Labs, up to date, phenomenal. Anyway, just thought I'd bring you that breaking news. On the same day that SMCI is pumping, Nvidia is on sale. It's Black Friday sales all over the place, and it's an opportunity to make easy money. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I shall put the event we're running on Nvidia right now on the extra channel down here, the Mobix Labs playlist. Go and check out the interview. Listen to what the CEO told me, and then also listen to what I just said from my source at Mobix a few moments ago, live on air, world exclusive. I just shared the message for you on the screen. Go and check it out. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. This is great. Oh, this is great today. Coca-Cola, I'm going to have to do this. I'm going to have to do this. Coca-Cola, I'm going to have to mention this. Going to have to mention this. Last end. And then we're going to go over to the live debate, Coca-Cola. Was I right or was I right? I love when I'm right and I'll say when I'm wrong. Listen, folks, Coca-Cola, it was free money, just like the E. coli was for McDonald's, just like the overselling for Enphase was. Many of these things I reported to you in my vacation when I was in October. Coca-Cola, listen, last chance. This is really, really, really happening. Coca-Cola reported, and it disappointed. There was absolutely nothing wrong with the report. People didn't understand the report. The growth is there. Big money took the opportunity to drive it down to buy it back. I said, you have to have patience. What did I do? My 19th trade. Remember, in October, 19 trades, 19 wins. This is my 19th trade. It's taken some time, but I'm disciplined and I'm patient. I said, wait until January the 1st when you can load up your IRA and add more. What has happened? I have said in multiple videos, I stand by what I say what I do, and everything I say is on video, and you can go and check back what I say. I said, and I say again, Coca-Cola will outperform the S&P in the short to medium term. I am 100% right. Okay? Tech is starting to trim. Nvidia is on sale today. We're still going to get a rally by the end of the year. But don't forget, Coca-Cola is in the S&P anyway, whatever. We've had a great run, a huge run, 35, 40% this year on the S&P. But I mean, I know it hasn't gone up that much, but that's how much I've made because I've been buying the dips, macro dips, and amplified because of margin, so on and so forth. But I've made a really good profit on the S&P. It's not going to run forever. It's going to do well end of the year. It's going to do well next year, but not at the rate it has. So what I'm doing is I'm taking profits in my IRA. I never sell my brokerage account ever. I just buy more. I sold my S&P. I made loads of profits. I did it 19 times, whatever. This is the 19th time. And I bought Coca-Cola on that report. Now, was it the bottom? No, it went down another 3.5%, nearly 4% after I bought in. Was I wrong? No. Does it matter? No, I'm not trying to time the market. It was already good enough for me. And what I said was, in January the 1st, I'll buy more if it's still below that level. If it's up above that level, I'll just buy the S&P. If it's below that level by 0.000001, I don't care. It's still slightly better. I'll buy it. I didn't need to time the market because there's 15 to 20% growth in this stock next year, and there's not in the S&P. There can't be. We've already had it. So I bought Coca-Cola and I said it's going to run up after I buy it. We had a tiny little dip, and then it went up and up and up and up. Now, ex-dividend day is in 2 days' time. Record-breaking dividend, going up again. Lovely, lovely, lovely. However, don't buy it today thinking you get the dividend. You might be lucky. 29th, 2 days away. It has to settle. Not just you buy it today, it has to settle. So don't buy it today to chase the 45-cent dividend. That isn't why you buy it. You buy it because you want to own it. At least, I mean, I can own this stock. Remember, I only ever trade stocks I can own. Stocks I can own. So it doesn't matter if it goes down to me. I just buy more of it. But the trajectory of this is way ahead of the S&P. And it has been ever since I bought it. And let me show you what I mean. Today, it's up 0.36. If I go to the S&P today, the S&P is down 0.17. That's not truly accurate because, of course, I'm in margin. So it amplifies it. So what I need to do to give a fair estimate is I need to go to VU itself, down 0.1. So the S&P is down 0.1 today, and Coca-Cola, let me come back to it again, Coca-Cola is up. And it's been like this now for a few weeks. It's, generally speaking, outperforming generally over the term, and that's all I care about is from beginning to the end, where am I, not where I am in between. I'm not executing in between, am I? I'm executing at the end. It's up. And I believe we're going to get a rally to the end of the year. Yep, 5-10% on the S&P. And then next year go a bit soft, right? We'll do all right, maybe 5%, not much next year, I don't think. I think we're going to have quite a slow year. A lot of it's already priced in with the rate cuts, but inflation's still sticky. Coca-Cola is the way to go because it's not an explosive stock. It's not Nvidia. It's not SMCI, but I'm not focusing on winning. I'm focusing on not losing. I don't want to lose money on my asset. I don't want to lose money on my VU, which just trickles along sideways along with inflation, a little bit more than that, when Coca-Cola was a gift. And I can own it. I haven't got to go, I've got to get rid of it. It's a binky bonk coin. It's a risky stock. It's SMCI. Maybe their audit doesn't go through. Now it crashes 50%. I don't have to worry about that because if I only held it and it went sideways, I'd make money from the dividends alone. And it's all tax-free anyway on my IRA. So whichever way I play this, I always win because I don't focus on winning. I focus on not losing. And when you've got money, you look at things differently. When you have real money, and maybe for me, this is real money now. I mean, let's be honest, 133,000 from 5,000. This to me is real money. As you get more money and it becomes more real to you, you look at ways to not mess around with it, all right? Because the bigger the pot gets, a 1% gain gets bigger, right? If you've got $1 million, right, and I do a 10% on the S&P, that's $100,000 a year. Well, that's a lot more than I earn, a heck of a lot more than I earn a year. So the point is, grow it over time, let it compound over time, and don't be worried trying to catch the 100%, the 500%. Be happy with making 1%, but I don't even need to worry about that. I'm more making a 15 to 20% with my Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola today is outperforming the S&P. It's dividend day in 2 days' time. Probably if you buy it now, it might not go through. Maybe you want to speak to your brokerage and go, if I buy Coca-Cola today, will it go through? If you're chasing that one dividend, which I don't mind getting. For me, I think it's about $600 I'm going to get. I think it's about $600. I can't remember. I did the calculation. I can't remember what it is. It might not be that much. In fact, I'll tell you. As we're making a Coca-Cola video, I probably should tell you, shouldn't I? There you go. 423, so 424, round that up. 424. No, it's nowhere near, is it? It's nowhere near. Anyway, 424 times, what did I say it was? The dividend payment is going to be is 48.5 times 48.5. Yeah, bloody hell, what am I doing? What did I just do then? I completely messed that up. Beg your pardon. Do that again. 424 times 48.5. 20,000. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Sorry. I'm a bloody idiot. It's right. It's official. 423. 424, round that up. times point. I thought that was weird. Point 40. You have to round the 49 because the 0.5. Okay, this is getting embarrassing. Worst video I've ever made. 424. Do it again. 400. Nothing like making a complete arse of yourself live on the show, is there? 424 times point. Why can't I do it? 49. 0.49. Finally. Okay. 207.76. This is why I don't trade live on air, right? I need to be off air. 207.76. So it's not 600. 207.76. That's what I'm going to get in dividends when is it? It's going to come out 16th of December. 16th of December. Thank you very much. So anyway, that was a complete balls up, but it's live, right? I could just go off air and just trade and make money, but I want to provide you with information. It's going up again right now. It's going to outperform the S&P. There you go. Do what you want. It's up to you. Don't do it live on air. Much easier for you. You're sat on the toilet, nice and relaxed, doing trades. I'm running all the screens. And I'm on 2 channels at the same time right now. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Worst video I've ever made, but who cares? You get the point. Thank you, Than, for your subscription. Over here, I shall put the Coca-Cola playlist. And down here, we're live 24 hours a day today, doing an NVIDIA special, live debate on our extra channel. Members are joining in. Loads of subscribers. Lovely. Subscribing to rubbish. Brilliant. The worse it gets, we love the channel. You make loads of mistakes. I'm subscribing to that. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bloody hell. Okay. Roth IRA going up, outperforming. Okay, may market down because of NVIDIA. Not bothered. Let's have a look. Leston, hello from work. How's everyone doing? Hey ho. Hey, how you doing? Compare snow. Hey, how do you compare snow for Fight Channel? What day is that? Core PCE. Let me have a look now at Core PCE. Is it out yet? Oh, we're standing by. Core PCE, we're standing by. I don't have it. 0.3 is expected. Hang on. Core PCE. There we go. 0.3. Yes, 0.3 as expected. Yes, thank you very much indeed. You're absolutely right. Here it is. Core PCE as expected. We're going to read it out. The US Core PCE price index, Federal Reserve's preferred gauge to measure underlying inflation, rose by 0.3 from the previous month of October, the same pace as in September and matching market forecasts. Service prices rose by 0.4 while goods prices decreased 0.1 year on year. Core prices rose by 2.8 in October, the most in 6 months, also in line with market estimates. Okay. As expected, systems go as normal and all the rest of it. All right. Okay. Mobix lags going up again. Stacey Bailey. Sim down 35. Bye. Looking at LNC 36 and 45 dividend. Doing my diligence. Also looking at other stocks. I buy around December the 6th. Congratulations, VCIG. Anyone that scalped it. Steve. What's going on? You make investing exciting. It should be, well, it shouldn't be exciting. If investing is exciting, whatever gets you to do it, but investing should be boring. Good investing should be boring. Okay. I try to make the show entertaining and engaging so it gets you engaged, but investing should just be boring because you should be able to have discipline, not get excited and get carried away. I'm just bringing you the news, making it fun for entertainment purposes, but this is my real money. I don't mess around with my real money, right? I don't ever lose money. So I'm from the UK. I'm new to this. Is that the Toonami? Are you a Toonami? Yes! David Knight! I do a good Jimmy Nail. A Big River. Do Big River, crocodile shoes. Do I get hit with a percentage loss on exchange rate from pounds to dollars? Dumb question, I know. I'm from the UK, new to this. Do I get hit with a percentage loss? Are you talking about Robinhood UK? Because I can help you with that. There's the Robinhood UK link. Right now, we're giving 5 free shares away. So sign up for it. It's free. You might as well. If you're in the US, there's the Robinhood UK. There's the US one. You can get 5 free shares. No. If you are in Robinhood UK and you are buying the US, it has to be in dollars. But it's not like going to the travel agent or the bank and saying, I want to buy some dollars, and you get ripped off. They don't make a commission on it. It's the XE rate. And if anyone knows what the XE rate is, what I use all the time to send money to the UK. When I send money to the UK, I use the XE rate. I don't pay any fees. I don't pay any charges. Instant transfer to England from Bank of America to Lloyd's if I need to pay some bills in the UK and so on. When I get paid from YouTube, I put my money in my Bank of America, I put it in Robinhood, and what I need to send to the UK, I send to the UK, and I pay the bills, yada, yada, yada. But no, if you are using Robinhood UK, it's in dollars, so yes, you have to use pounds to dollars, but they just go on the XE rate. That's the rate it is. No profit made to transfer it, no profit, there's no transaction fees, there's no we scalp the rate to make a % profit, none of that nonsense, okay? And it goes back the other way as well when you sell. Okay, Martin, can I send you a screenshot of my portfolio? And can you tell me if I need any improvements? Usman, yes, you can. You can do it via Discord. There's Discord. Have you got on Discord yet? Have I upgraded you on Discord yet? That's how you send in images and pictures. Okay, Martin posted news on green stuff rescheduled in stock news. Rescheduling. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I can't do everything. Stock news. Did you say links for YouTube? That's where it should be. Henrik, Spaceflight, Rocket Lab, breaking news. If you want me to cover things on the show, put it in stock news. Sundays are better. You've sent me there. Okay, I will take a look at that. But I'm going to end the show now and then come back and try to make some more. But I've got quite a bit to get out here, folks. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do day trader of the day. We're going to clear the board. We're going to see how everyone's done. We're going to send you all over now to the extra channel, which is going to keep everyone together. We've got this live. I'm running an NVIDIA playlist and live debate and so on and so forth. So join me for that. Let me, what am I doing? Customization, yeah. This is all happening very, very quickly. Live debates. All right, join me now on Extra. Here is the link. Day trader of the day. We're going to be nice and quick. What happened? Nothing happens. Not a problem at all to me. At all. Not concerned at all. So let me send everyone now to Extra. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's get down over here nice and quickly. Are you ready? Okay, day trader of the day. Let's see how you're done. Let's have a quick look. Let's see how everyone's done today. I am down 0.29. Am I bothered? Nope. It's got to go a long way down before I buy any more, though. 0.25% down she goes. Mobix is still firing up. Keeps on going. Up nearly 9% now. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So easy to make money today. Okay, put your scores on the doors, please. Let me roll the credits. Shid-dooby-doop, banat-and-dooby-doo-boo. Roll the credits. Let's see who the stars of our show are today. Here we go. Stars of our show today. New subscribers. We had a couple today. Tiago and Than. These are the public subscribers. And Lawrence Tio gave me a wonderful super chat. Thank you very much, Lawrence Tio. I really do appreciate that. Right, up 8%. Wow, he's crushed it. Up 8%. Wow. Up 1.3. So we know who wins. I'm not even going to wait. No one's going to be beaten that today. Thank you very much, Fight Channel. A great result for you. Great result for anyone. Congratulations. Fight Channel, what a great score that was. Up 8% today. Sundays are better. Down 1,000. No, you can't be down 1,142. Sundays are better. You can't be down 1,142%. 0.5. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, what a result that was. Fantastic. All right. Yay, Fight. Great, isn't it? All right. That's it from me. We'll end the show now. We'll send everyone to Extra. Come and join me. We'll keep the party going. We got Senzi at the moment doing a chart talking all about the stock going down today. Let me refresh this. I don't need to refresh it. It's going marvellous. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Now, stay right where you are. The link's in the chat. I'll give it to you once again. Come and join me on Extra. Look out for the videos. That'll be out shortly. I'll be back for the closing bell. We're opening up we're opening up in the closing bell this afternoon the request for stock analysis. So it'll be first come, first serve. I will give like 2 opportunities. That's it. So we're not going to have hundreds of people do it all at once and get a big list again. I don't want that. I don't want people waiting. It'll be, I'll go. It'll be like a 1-minute thing. It'll be the top ones get done first, and then that's it. It'll stop and be shut down again. So I'll get those done near enough straight away. Okay, that's it from me. Join me on Extra now. I'll see you back shortly. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. It's all you got to do. Remember that. Focus on protecting your money than chasing profits, and you'll always make money. It's really easy, quite honestly. Until next time, take care of yourself. I just realized how nice my tie looks this morning. Look at that. Oh, top tip, by the way. When you tie your tie, right? Look at this. I'm going to show you this now. Top tip, right? No one does this. I'm the only person who does this. Probably not. Right. When you tie your tie, it looks like that, doesn't it? That's what it looks like. You want a bit of joie de vivre? You want a bit of joie de vivre? You want a bit of razzmatazz, charisma? Once you've tied the tie, it's in position, it's centered. Give it a squeeze. Go. Look at that. It gives it a shine, a polish, a shape, a definition, and you get the shadow down the side. Looks good, right? Just a little pinch. It's all it takes. Till next time. Leave me your comments below. Take care of yourselves and each other. Top tip.